Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nook. Today I will show you how you can use maps in the offline mode in your Windows 10 laptop. So as you can see, I'm not connected to the internet right now. If you see, I'm not connected to the internet. So uh, you need to search for maps. Then you will see this maps app which is there. So from there, if you come now, if I search for various places, right, I can see the places because I have downloaded the map of uh, Kerala. So let me search for, so 1 second, so let me go here and search. Yeah, if I search for, say, Kannur, I see it is coming up. Now if I search for nearby restaurants, then if I search for it, it should come up, because even though if it's in offline mode, you see all these things came up because this information I have already downloaded it. So all the local restaurants and the navigations, it should come up. As you can see, the various things in the city. You see malls. So in this way, you will be able to download the maps. But if you see something like Dubai, it will say that the map doesn't exist, right? So that information is not available. So now if you want to download the offline version of it, there is a way you can download and keep. So there's 3D cities and other things also within this. Now if you come here, you see personalization, driving, all those things. Then you see offline maps. Then you can say choose maps. So from there you can say okay, choose this, right? If you want to download, you can say download maps. Then you can say the country, and it will download the entire city. But if you do that in Google Maps in your phone and all, you will be able to do only that for a particular area, region. But here you can do an entire country. So that is the advantage by using this. I hope this is useful. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.